everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ariella and I make beauty and lifestyle videos, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look right here. This is a look inspired by the Powerpuff Girls, especially from the Powerpuff Girls collection from Colourpop. So I used the eyeshadow palette, blush, some of the eyeliners and lip gloss. So I can't wait to show you guys how I create this look. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. You can just go ahead and check the description bar to see exactly what I used as my base for today. And we're just going to go ahead and jump right into the palette. So we're going to be using the Powerpuff Colourpop eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to incorporate, so I don't really know exactly what kind of look I'm going to do. I'm kind of just going to go ahead and wing it today. But I do know I want to incorporate the pink, the green, and the blue on my eyes. So yes, let's see how that plays out. So we're going to go in with Rowdy Rough Boys. It's this nice blue shade. And we're going to put this towards the beginning of our eye. And I'm using a eye shading E55 from Sigma. So just kind of like one of these flat brushes if you have it. That's what I'm going to be using. And I'm just going to go ahead and just put this on the inner part of the eye. Wow, this shade is pigmented. It's like a nice, like aqua blue color, like a dark aqua. All right. Just pack that on in. Wow, these shadows are super pigmented. I'm obsessed. What? Telling y'all, Colourpop. Some people be sleeping on Colourpop. Like, this is so gorgeous. What? So then we're going to go in with the next color, the color right directly next to the blue, which is Silico. It's a nice lime green shade, and I'm actually going to use the same brush as the back part of this brush. Just go ahead and put this on the middle part of your eyelid. Like so. Wow, this is another gorgeous color. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Like, these eyeshadows, they are pigmented. Like, if you guys haven't got this palette yet, please do. Super, super pretty. Okay, so that's like kind of like in the middle part of our eye, and then we're gonna go in with the pink. I go in with this color pink, called the Fashionistas, and we're going to put that color on the ends of our eyelids. I'm telling y'all, these colors are so pretty. Okay, so it should look like so, a little bit crazy. But we're gonna just go ahead and like blend it out a little bit together. And I'm using the Morphe E13 brush to kind of just blend those shades together so it's more seamless. Okay, so you might have to go in with like the colors again to kind of intensify it more, but this is just kind of to blend it out. Kind of blend it out like that. Okay, and then we're going to go back in with the colors. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the green again. And then the pink. And you kind of just go like back and forth with it, like until it's like nice and blended. Kind of lifting the shadow up a little bit more on my eye. Going in with the green shade, just lifting it in. I want these colors to really like stand out. Okay, and with the blue, I'm just kind of blending out the edges on the top. So I'm going to just go ahead and put those shadows the same shadows I put on this eye, and then we'll come back to the rest of the makeup look. We did our other eye. Creamy pink shimmer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush too with this color. It's like a shimmery color, and then we're gonna put this on our brow bone, so directly underneath brow bone, like so. It's so pretty, y'all. Fine. So the collection also came out with like these little liners as well. So these are like the 3 different shades. So those are the eyeliner colors. They're like nice shimmery shades. So we're gonna do the green shade called Mojo Jojo on the lower lash line. Oh yeah, that's nice and shimmery. Ooh, we poppin'. Our eyes are lit. Look at that. Okay, so I'm also going to incorporate Silico, the lime green shade in the palette, on my lower lash line. I'm just going to take, this is the Be Bella Detail Crease 132 brush. So just kind of like a brush like this to smoke out the lower lash line. So now we're going to put on mascara. I'm going to curl on my lashes. Boom. Now you can see my lashes a little bit more. So I'm actually going to go in with the Kosas Black Mascara to coat my lashes. This is like a little mini size version of it. Okay, before we do the rest of our eyes, I'm going to go ahead in with my bronzer and the blush from the collection as well. So for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Tantalize bronzer. This is a beautiful bronzer. Huge pan. Love it. So we're going to go in with that. And I'm just going to be using my MAC 160. I believe this is the 160 brush. So just like a nice contour bronzer brush, and accentuate the face with our bronzer. Just taking kind of like a brush like this to kind of just contour, give a little bit of warmth on the nose. And then I like to start off just on the sides of my nose, just using just very light strokes and just kind of following the shape of my nose to the bottom, from the top to the bottom basically. Blend this out with another brush. Kind of make it look more seamless. Now we're gonna go in with my favorite part. What's my favorite part, guys? Guess it. Blush. Using Fighting Crime today, and it's a bright pink fuchsia kind of shade. Be using this on our cheeks for our blush. And then you can just take any type of blush brush or contour brush. This one is the Shape brush from Sephora 204. I'm gonna be going in with that. And then I already know this is gonna be very bright, so use a light hand at first, and then if you want to build it up, you can build it up. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love it. Super, super cute. Is a lot more dramatic, so we gotta go all in. If you're gonna do Powerpuff, you gotta do it right. So yeah, I like taking it up, like kind of like towards like the upper part of your face to have it more dramatic. And then for highlight today, we're going to be using the MAC Cosmetics. This is called Show Gold. So today I really wanted something like more glittery, more out there for my highlighter. So I chose this one. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and put that on as highlight. Just use like any type of highlighting brush. I like using something like this. And then I'm going to spray my brush to intensify the highlight a little bit. And we're gonna go in the top parts of our cheek. As you can tell, this is like a really nice shimmery highlight. It has pink in there, so I do really well with that blush color. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put that on the other side of our face. Actually use some of the color that we use on the brow bone. We're gonna put that a little bit on our nose. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on our nose too. So I'm just gonna take that same brush, the Professor Utonium shade. What? And a little bit on top of the brow bone. Alright, and then now I'm going to go in with some black eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Haus Laboratories Liquid Liner in Punk. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. Okay. So my first time using this eyeliner, it's actually pretty good. It's pretty easy to use. Right, one side down, one more side to go. Now that we have our eyeliner done, we're gonna go in with the lashes, and today we'll be using the House of Lashes Iconic Light. So they are very more flared out at the ends, and that's what I love. Those are like my favorite type of lashes, the ones that are more flared out at the ends. So we're gonna pop these suckers on. What? We loving this. We feeling this. This is the vibe. Alright, so as you can tell, the lashes just make everything way more dramatic. I love that. So now we're going to go in with our lips. In the collection, it also came with some lip glosses too. These I think are just clear lip glosses to kind of hydrate your lips. It's the rollerball kind of style. Very similar to like the ones that used to come out like in the 90s. Like everyone had one of these in their purse. Like if you didn't, like who are you? Like this was definitely a vibe. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on my lips. Ooh. It kind of has a scent to it too. It smells good. It smells very refreshing. So yeah, I'm just coating this to like kind of give some hydration on my lips. And this is the Bubbles lip gloss. All right, so now for the final attraction. We're gonna go in with our lip product. So this is the Haus Laboratories lip liner and doll. So we're gonna go in with that first, and then we're gonna go in with the lip gloss. This one's called Beige. We're gonna go in with this lip gloss. So we're gonna line our lips first. And this is just like a nice, like, bright pink lip liner. And I like to overline my lips a little bit. So fill in the lips with the lip liner color too a little bit. I like to do this just like, you know, in case throughout the day, like, the lip gloss wears off, then you still have some type of shade on your lips. So this is pretty by itself. So if you wanted to just leave it like this, more like a matte lip color, you can, but I'm gonna go in with the gloss. This is pretty just like by itself. As you can tell, super pretty. All right, and then now we're gonna go in with the lip gloss, Glaze. And this is also like a nice sheer pink color as well. Nice sheer pink. Put that all over the lips. I swear these lip glosses are so good. They're so pigmented and they are not super sticky either. Just super comfortable on the lips. Are finito. So this is the final look. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face to kind of just set everything in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. And I'm just going to spray this all over. Just kind of lock in that look. All right, y'all, so this completes the final makeup look. I am so obsessed on how it turned out. These colors are super pigmented. I'm obsessed. If you guys are contemplating on whether or not to pick it up, I highly suggest you should. I am loving it. I love the pops of color, especially right now for the summer. That's definitely what's in style right now. So yeah, I love it, and I hope you guys did too. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe down below to see more of me, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.